Yeah.
Yeah.
Check that out. That's a big group. They've been out getting muddy in Sturgis. Or somewhere. It's a motorcycle museum. I'd like to get a magnet or something if I can run in somewhere to just grab one.
What?
I'm gonna get it like a magnet or something. If you see a gift shop, I'll run in and just get one.
This will be all parked bikes in the middle of the road here, and along the edges, and just have single lanes.
Really? It's popular. Well, is that during the
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Back in the day, girls used to walk around topless down here.
Oh, I think they still do that.
I think they get arrested now.
Oh, a lot of them have the paint put on, so they're not
Yeah.
wearing anything. They're just
Can't
Decorated.
have a container on the street anymore.
oh, progress. Has to ruin everything, huh? Harley Davidson.
Did you see something? So,
Okay. There's One-Eyed Jacks. I think we've seen that in TV programs. A Loud American. That's a fairly new one, 2001. Wow, more side-by-sides. This is still One-Eyed Jacks over here. It's crazy. Huge. Huge. It's huge.